Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best Cricut accessories is probably one of the most crucial investments for any crafting enthusiast looking to elevate their projects from basic to breathtaking, transforming simple ideas into intricate, professional-looking creations with unparalleled precision and efficiency, making every DIY endeavor a truly enjoyable and successful experience. Number 5. Cricut Joy Smart DIY Machine. This is a compact and portable DIY smart machine. It's perfect for creating customized labels, cards, and various crafts wherever you go. It works with over 50 materials, including popular options like vinyl, iron-on, and cardstock. You can explore a wide range of creative possibilities with it. It cuts intricate designs with remarkable precision. Every detail of your project will be perfectly executed. Beyond cutting, it can also write, draw, and even foil. Expand your creativity with these versatile functions. Control it wirelessly with the free, easy-to-learn Design Space app. This intuitive app makes creating and customizing your project simple and fun. Access free live workshops, online courses, and beginner cheat sheets to master its features. Plus, world-class customer support is available via phone or chat whenever you need assistance. What we like? This little powerhouse is perfect for quick, personalized projects. Its compact size makes it incredibly portable, fitting into any crafting space. If you're a beginner or need a machine for on-the-go creativity, this is your ideal companion for custom labels, cards, and more. What people say. Number 4. TWEEXY Craft Vinyl Weeding Scrap Collector Ring. Tired of sticky vinyl scraps cluttering your workspace? This innovative ring provides an extra hand for cleanup, right on your own hand. Simply drag your scraps through its slits for instant tidiness. Designed for universal comfort, it grasps any finger size without pinching. Its soft-to-the-touch material ensures a pleasant crafting experience. You'll love how sturdy it sits on your hand. Its clever vents force scraps off your pick directly into the silicone collector. Sticky bits stay contained until your project is complete. This tool ensures a spotless workstation throughout your creative process. Forget messy masking tape solutions. This ring offers a non-stick surface where scraps cluster into a single, manageable ball. It makes collecting waste much cleaner and more efficient. Finish your project with one less mess to worry about. You can remove the entire collection of slivers in one swift motion. No more picking out tiny pieces one by one. What we like? Say goodbye to messy scrap piles with this clever ring. It provides a convenient, hands-free way to collect vinyl scraps directly from your weeding tool. If you're looking for an effortless way to keep your workspace tidy while crafting, this accessory is a game-changer. What people say. Number 3. TWEEXY Craft Vinyl Weeding Scrap Collector Ring. Tired of messy vinyl scraps cluttering your workspace? This innovative tool is designed to simplify your crafting process. It helps you avoid sticky pile-ups and keeps your table tidy. Imagine having an extra hand to clean up as you go. You can easily drag your vinyl scraps through its slits, making it the most convenient wastebasket right on your hand. Designed for comfort, it grasps any finger size without pinching your skin. Its soft-to-the-touch material ensures a pleasant crafting experience, sitting sturdy on your hand. Its clever vents force scraps off your pick directly into the silicone collector. This ensures sticky bits are contained until your masterpiece is complete, giving you a spotless workstation. Forget messy masking tape. This ring provides a non-stick surface, allowing your scraps to cluster into a single, manageable ball. It makes scrap collection much cleaner and more efficient. When you're done, removing the collected slivers is incredibly easy. You can take them out in one piece, eliminating the worry of a scattered mess. What we like? Keep your crafting area spotless from start to finish with this innovative tool. Its unique design allows you to clean up as you go, making scrap removal incredibly easy. If you value a clean workstation and want to streamline your weeding process, this will be your new best friend. What people say. Number 2. iVyne Berry Suctioned Vinyl Weeding Scrap Collector. Introducing the iVyne Berry, your ultimate crafting companion. Its patented design features a star-shaped opening, making tool cleaning a breeze. This innovative collector simplifies your vinyl weeding process. With its powerful suction, it stays firmly in place on your workspace. This ensures a stable environment for all your projects. Plus, the convenient slits allow for effortless disposal of scrap vinyl waste. This versatile collector works seamlessly with all your favorite crafting tools. Whether you use Cricut or Silhouette accessories, it's the perfect companion for spatulas, tweezers, and more. It's an essential scrapbooking tool for heat transfer and craft adhesive vinyl. Experience strong suction on various surfaces like wood, glass, or plastic. It remains securely attached for hours, tackling even your toughest weeding projects. This holder provides premium organization and storage for your scraps. Crafted from soft, flexible silicone, it safeguards your delicate weeding tools. This material prevents damage and scratches, ensuring both your tools and this collector last a long time. This lightweight scrap collector is designed for travel. You can easily place it in a bag and take it with you. It empowers crafters to weed wherever inspiration strikes, indoors or outdoors. What we like. This collector offers superior stability with its strong suction base, securing it firmly to any surface. Its soft silicone material also protects your delicate weeding tools from damage. If you need a reliable, stationary scrap holder that also safeguards your tools, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 1. Cricut Mug Press. Get the mug of your dreams with this pro-level press. It's designed to transform mug blanks into lasting works of art with just one touch. Turn a simple mug blank into an unforgettable gift for friends, family, and loved ones. These creations will truly stand out. Its patent-pending heat plate ensures consistent, peel-proof, and dishwasher-safe results. You can use infusible ink transfer sheets, pens, or markers to bring your designs to life. This unique heat press is an ideal companion for all Cricut smart cutting machines. Enjoy a worry-free experience thanks to its convenient auto-off safety feature. It conforms with applicable product standards like UL, CSA, FCC, or IEC. This product is also listed or certified by nationally recognized testing labs. What we like. Create professional quality custom mugs with incredible ease using this press. Its one-touch setting ensures perfect, long-lasting results that are peel-proof and dishwasher safe. If you're looking to personalize gifts or start a small business with durable, vibrant mug designs, this machine is a must-have. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.